Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Computer Tool Kit is probably one of the most essential investments for any professional technician. This comprehensive kit is designed to equip you with everything you need to diagnose, repair, and maintain computers efficiently. From precision screwdrivers to specialized tools, we'll explore what makes this kit a must-have for anyone serious about computer repair and maintenance. Number 5. XOOL 140-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This precision screwdriver set includes 120 bits, covering all your repair needs. It also comes with 20 useful accessories, making it perfect for any DIY project. You can easily repair electronics with it. The screwdriver features a comfortable, non-slip grip and smooth rotation. The magnetic bit holder helps you handle small screws with ease. This design maximizes your repair capabilities. The set includes magnetic tools to save you time and energy. The magnetic pad keeps screws organized, and the magnetizer tool strengthens or weakens the screwdriver's magnetism. These features make the repair work more efficient. This tool kit is suitable for repairing various electronics, including phones, laptops, and game consoles. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, it's easy to use. It is a great tool for everyone. The bits are stored in a clearly marked rack for easy identification. The repair tools are packed in an Oxford bag for overall protection and organized storage. You will not have to worry about losing anything. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 120 magnetic bits, ensuring you're prepared for any repair. It features an ergonomic grip for comfortable, non-slip handling. The inclusion of magnetic tools streamlines your workflow. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that prioritizes both versatility and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. This set has all the odd bits needed for that type of thing, nice to have around. This kit is absolutely the best. I wasn't expecting the little features of the driver itself to make things way more user-friendly and secure so as to not lose bits. It's very versatile, well stocked with sizes and ergonometric. Number 4. Unamela 139-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. Introducing the Unamela 139-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This comprehensive kit is designed for all your repair needs, from mobile phones to game consoles. It's the perfect tool for both professionals and hobbyists. This kit includes 120 precision bits and 19 accessories. It has everything you need for various electronics, appliances, and gadgets. You'll find bits for Trox, Phillips, Pentalobe, and many more. The screwdriver features an ergonomic handle with non-slip rubber for comfortable use. It also includes a 360 degrees rotation feature for one-handed operation. The push-type head and extension rod make it easy to reach tight spaces. It has a magnetizer to enhance the magnetism of the screwdriver head. A magnetic pad is included to keep parts organized. This helps you keep track of everything during your repairs. This compact and versatile set is a great gift for electronics enthusiasts and gamers. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. Get the Unamela upgraded precision screwdriver set today. What we like. With 120 precision bits and an ergonomic handle, this kit is designed for comfort and efficiency. The dual magnetic configuration keeps your workspace organized. If you like a kit that combines a wide array of bits with thoughtful design elements, you should consider this one. What people say. Have used this to repair my laptop and some cameras. Has everything I need. Great kit. Still use it today with building computers. Love this precision tool set. It is very complete, and love the soft storage case, and how it organizes the tools. A great addition for my small electronics projects. Number 3. SHOWPIN 120-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. Introducing the SHOWPIN Screwdriver Set, a comprehensive kit designed for all your repair needs. This set is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, making it an essential tool for any tech project. This precision screwdriver set comes packed with 120 bits and 20 auxiliary tools. It includes everything you need, from screwdrivers to flexible shafts, ensuring you're prepared for any repair task. Whether it's a laptop or a drone, this kit has you covered. The bits in this kit cover all the models needed for daily maintenance. Made from high-quality CRV steel, they are built to last. The precision ensures a high-quality experience, making it easy to handle various repair tasks. Designed for maximum repair efficiency, the handle features a 360 degrees rotation for one-handed operation. The comfortable grip and push-in design with a built-in magnet make it easy to use. The adjustable extension pole and flexible shaft help you tackle complex environments. The set includes practical tools like a magnetizer to enhance or weaken magnetism, and a magnetic pad to keep screws organized. These tools improve work efficiency and prevent loss. It's a great assistant for any repair job. The Oxford storage bag keeps everything organized and compact. It comes with a lifetime warranty and 180-day money-back guarantee. It's also a great gift for loved ones, family, and friends. What we like. This kit offers 120 magnetic bits and an ergonomic design for comfortable use. It's suitable for a wide range of applications. If you have a variety of devices to repair and value a comfortable, efficient design, you should consider this one. What people say. The case is phenomenal and the tools perform as expected. Especially when dealing with those pesky all-in-one machines. I hate them so much, lol. If you work with computers and have had to deal with them, you know exactly what I mean. I have purchased multiple sets like this in the past and this is by far the best set I've owned. It has done the job for every task. I've torn apart all my consoles, cleaned a few cell phones, gaming controllers, small electronics, and Game Boys for modding. Number 2. oGoDeal 155 in 1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This professional screwdriver set is perfect for electronic repairs. It includes a wide range of tools for various devices. It's a great gift for anyone who enjoys fixing things. The set features 101 magnetic screwdriver bits made of durable chrome vanadium alloy. The tips are designed to be stable and long-lasting. This ensures efficient and effective repairs. This sturdy set includes prying tools, tweezers, suction cups, and more. The ergonomic design makes repairs comfortable and simple. It's designed to make your repair work easier. The handle is designed for comfort during long use. The set comes with a storage box and an Oxford bag. It is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. Enjoy 24-hour support and a 365-day service guarantee. This kit is designed to meet your needs. You can be confident in the quality and support provided. What we like. This kit includes an impressive 155 pieces, making it a truly comprehensive solution. The bits are made of high-quality materials for durability. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use during extended repairs. If you are looking for a kit that offers maximum versatility and quality, you should consider this one. What people say. In the past I have had difficulty opening computers for repair. No problem with these tools. Repair successfully completed. This little tool kit gave me every tool I needed, the right ones for the job. Has every size and multiples of most in case you break one. I am a professional mechanic, I earn a living with tools. These are not cheaply made. Some have stated that these were cheaply made because they are not designed for foot-pounds of torque. They were designed for 003 Phillips screws, and this tool set does a very nice job if you are using it as designed. This tool kit has several plastic items, plastic, guitar, picks, pry bars, and edges, designed for opening things like mobile phones and iPads. They were a very pleasant surprise, and worked very well for my intended use, working on drones. These tools didn't leave a single mark, or chig bite, on any of the places I used them. Very nice. Number 1. StarTech.com CTK 200, 11-piece PC Repair Tool Kit. This 11-piece tool kit has everything you need for computer repair and maintenance. It's a complete solution, making it easy to handle various tasks. Designed for professionals, this kit includes a high-quality vinyl case. The zipper design keeps all the tools secure and organized. Perfect for technicians and hobbyists, this kit is ideal for PC repairs and maintenance. Whether you're at home or on-site, it's a great choice. This PC tool kit is compact and portable, perfect for technicians on the go. It's a convenient package for common repair tools. Get your StarTech.com CTK 200 today and make your computer repair easier. It is a must-have tool for any computer enthusiast. What we like. This kit offers a focused set of 11 essential tools for computer repair. The secure zippered case keeps everything organized and protected. It is designed for maximum portability. If you are a technician needing a basic, portable kit, you should consider this one. What people say. This kit was perfect and fulfilled all of my needs. I purchased this when it was time to upgrade my laptop, and I realized that I didn't have any tools to take it apart. After researching various options, this seemed like the best value for my needs. I was impressed with the quality of the tools, they're pretty sturdy and not cheap. I found that I needed about 3 different tools in the kit to take my laptop completely apart, and I was glad to have everything I needed in one set. This comes in a clear plastic holder that fits each tool nicely in place, so you don't have to worry about losing any pieces. I highly recommend this set. They are priced right, come in a nice little box so you won't lose them, and are good enough for all except perhaps the pickiest person needing diamond cut precision or something that I'm not aware of. They feel reasonably well constructed, and having magnetic tips is a nice feature for the money. So far has come in handy when replacing hard drives. Screwdrivers fit very well and don't feel like they will strip at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.